Let's use Coefficient's GPT Copilot to do some analysis on Jira ticket satisfaction scores. Let's first open Coefficient from the Extensions tab in the top ribbon. Coefficient, Launch. Go to GPT Copilot and let's build a formula that averages the satisfaction score by reporter and limits the results to the top 10 lowest scores. Now let's use Coefficient GPT Copilot to build a pivot table that counts the number of reporters by satisfaction score. And with just a few clicks, we've used Coefficient GPT Copilot to do analysis on our satisfaction scores for our Jira tickets.